We have a 1968 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. This is one of the 7 cars that we purchased from Original Parts Group. They're a supplier of classic car restoration parts. They have a catalog for many different models, including the Cadillac. And if that car looked familiar, well, that's it right there. It's used at their 2016 SEMA show at their booth. It was on the cover of the catalog a few times, just used in a lot of promotion material. The car's a celebrity. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And we'll be lucky if we can spin it without taking the wall out. This thing's huge. Beautiful car. JH Restoration restored all of their cars, or most of them anyway. Body and paint's better than it looked when it was new. Big, giant slabs of sheet metal, 20 foot long, or it looks that way. And it's laser straight from end to end. Absolutely stunning. Lines, the gaps, everything. No issues, no rust, no damage. All smooth right down to the rockers. The fender skirts fit beautifully. All this is real nice and clean. Still has a bit of a tail fin here going on in 68. The trunk, smooth, beautiful lines. Trunk is huge. I mean, I can go on and on the next couple of minutes telling you how straight and how everything fits. The whole car body is amazing. Baroque Gold Irid. I think I pronounced it right. That's the original color. It has really nice metal flake. It's laid out evenly all around. And the clear coat looks like you could reach right in. It's buffed and polished like a piece of glass, and it looks wet. So they wanted the car to really look great. So all of the chrome, they must spend a fortune on the chrome. Beautiful. All the stainless trim is buffed like chrome, but all of this is redone. You got the little Cadillac emblem. Everything up here is gorgeous, sparkling chrome. The headlight bezels, the trim around here, the bumper, all of this is sparkling. He has T3 reproduction headlights, stacked headlights. There's a little chrome turn signal indicators up here. There is a little scratch right there in the paint. Power antenna, new windshield. All this stainless is buffed and shiny. The vent window frame looks like it's re-chromed. The trim on top of the doors here is restored. Door handle looks new. Beautiful stuff. New vinyl top, it's all been replaced. This hubcaps are pristine. I don't know if they reproduce those or if those are restored, but they're in mint shape. Has the double stripe white wall tires. Those are reproduction tires. Now all the chrome back here, same thing. All sparkling. All the trim back here looks great. This Cadillac trunk lock cover is beautiful. The rubber seal has been replaced. Nice soft rubber. The rear window is really nice and clear too. Looks good. The only chrome they didn't do was the mirror, and it's really nice. Just has some real mild freckles. Not pits, but freckles. Car's gorgeous. And just look at the shape of it. That's a Coupe DeVille. The trunk just goes on for miles. All right, let's get inside the car and check out that living room it's got for an interior. This thing is huge. I got to suck it in just to open the trunk. So under the trunk lid's all painted slick. Has a working trunk light. The jamb is painted slick. The weather strip is replaced. So it looks like the walls have the original liner, and they put a new carpet mat down on the bottom with sewn edges. Fits real nice. This tire is a reproduction tire. It matches the 5 or 4 that are on the car. Never been used. It has a complete jack assembly. Comes with a nice soft car cover too. To fit this car, it's probably a small tent. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos are posted. We're getting some great content out there. Go to our website too to see some really cool stuff. So the jambs are all painted, sill plates are new, door weather strips are replaced. Door panels are in great shape. I imagine they're probably the originals. The cloth insert, though, matches the seats. That's probably been redone. And all the chrome trim on the doors look great. It has the power window switches. Sometimes those can be all pitted, but they look really good. This I thought was cool. This big old dial staring you in the face. That's for the cruise control. You want to set it at 50 or about 80. But yeah, it has factory cruise. Notice the lights work. The vents are all nice and clean. The dash pad's real nice. Instrument panel. This is all very nice original, cleaned up. Has a climate control. So you just set the temperature you want and it'll take over from there. And that should be working. We did charge the air. I seen that on our service ticket. And this cracks me up. No cup holders. There's dual ashtrays. Size of a glove box here. Look at that. Everyone smoked back then. In the glove box, the light works. Here's the original pouch, the original owner's manual, and the warranty booklet, which is for this car because it has the serial number embossed in it. So they did register this car, and there's some car show literature. So they were taking this car to events to promote their products. There's a close-up of this catalog, the 2022 catalog. It was on their 2020 as well. It'll go with the car. Light works, vents are nice. I'm sure they supplied the new carpet for the car. The seats have been reworked, they're re-cushioned. All reupholstered, has this nice fabric in the middle, all correct stuff with the vinyl trim. Seat belts have the Cadillac logo on it. Everything back here, same way. You got folding armrests front and back. They've all been reupholstered. All the fabric is redone. The side panels have the fabric, matching fabric as well. The rest of it's probably just real good original. Has working interior lights back there with the Cadillac logo in the lens. And if it was just a Chevelle, it would just be smooth plastic. Headliner looks like it's all been redone and fits real nicely. The visors were redone and the mirror looks like new. Steering wheel's in real nice shape. So overall, a very nice interior. I honestly don't know. I didn't study the catalog, so I don't know exactly what parts are on the car from their catalog. But quite a few of them, obviously. Well, big 472 powerhouse, 525 pounds of torque, 375 horsepower. It's been serviced and runs real smooth. Here's the air conditioner. The compressor's been replaced. It's been updated with the newer Freon. All proper. All the vacuum lines, hoses, everything is proper the way it should be. All nice, clean metal. The hinges look real clean. Looks like a newer battery. And I like this old Cadillac sticker. I'm glad it's not new. That's just really cool, vintage looking. And up front, it has 3 horns. It sounds like a freight train. You want to scare somebody, get them up by the front of the car and hit that. They'll be cleaning their shorts. Here's the cruise control. I honestly don't know if our shop even checked that. Well, it looks like there's something not plugged in. You know, we do service our cars, but we got to draw the line somewhere. So that may or may not work. Power steering, power brakes. The washer bottle's hooked up. Said everything looks proper. It has new hood insulation, and they did paint the underside of the hood. All right, well, Michael's going to take you for a ride in this living room on wheels. We'll see you in a few minutes. It'll come with this sign that they use at the shows. There's a picture of this car at SEMA in their booth, and that sign is sitting there. Underneath the car is just really clean. Looks like it's all smooth, rust-free metal. It's cleaned up and dusted with some black paint, so it looks nice and fresh. Steering and suspension was gone through as needed. Uh, Exhaust system looks like it's a new exhaust, the factory specs. Disc brakes in front, drum and back, e-brakes hooked up. Fuel tank was replaced. Hear that? That's metal. I could hardly lift it up. I'm not kidding you. It is a heavy hood. Um, Looking up at the motors, clean. Turbo 400 automatic is the original. Actually, the VIN number matching. I seen the VIN number. So real nice car underneath. This is an opportunity, folks, because this is a beautiful car. Not many people are going to restore it to this level because it costs a fortune. You can restore a Camaro way easier than you can restore a Cadillac. But they spent the money on it for a purpose, to promote their business and their products. So obviously they wanted to make the car fantastic. Here is an opportunity. Once it's gone, it's gone. Won't be another one like it. So go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer some questions, including how you're going to get this delivered to your door. You better measure your garage, and they can help with financing too if you need it. So thanks for watching.